basically it's Tunde's birthday at the weekend, and I really wanted to do something special for him. I wanted to get him like a present that he would absolutely love. I'm just so excited, but I think he's absolutely gonna love it and he's gonna be so shocked. He's wanted this for a while, but I think he didn't think I would get it. I thought, you know what, he's been amazing, he is amazing anyway, not to get cheesy, but he is. And I thought, actually, let me get him something nice. Hello guys, hello. So today we are vlogging. So yeah, this is actually Babe's birthday weekend, so it's exciting. It's your birthday, it's his birthday tomorrow. So we're making the whole weekend of it. So today we're going out for lunch and dinner, and then tomorrow we're going out for shopping and lunch and dinner. So basically we're just eating all weekend, isn't it? Pretty much that's the plan for the birthday celebrations.
Where we need to be, I was all alone. I had a dream, now it's you and I, the dream team. I was dreaming about the day I saved the world, about the day I get the girl by the necks with the pearl. I was dreaming about the day that I could buy myself a home, take a little trip to Rome, making money from a poem. Started dreaming.
Yeah, so we've come to a Lebanese restaurant. I've never actually had Lebanese food before, so you should be interested. The menu reminded me a bit of like Greek food.
Mediterranean.
Yeah, Mediterranean, isn't it? That's it. So we have our starters out. We've now got the grilled chicken, and that's like with mushrooms and peppers, a rice and some chips. Lebanese food, here we go.
Dreaming about the day when I would probably shed a tear, cause all the hard times that it took me to get here. I be dreaming about what's going on out in North Korea. Am I gonna be alive to see a music career? I just dream about the future cause I wonder what it holds. I ain't really scared of dying, I'm afraid of getting old. Say 11 while you dreaming cause I don't do what I'm told. I'ma throw the world. So we're at our second location now. We've come to Asha. It's like an Indian restaurant. It's really nice, isn't it, actually? If you do, follow me. What you want ain't what you need.
Looking beautiful, huh?
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I can see the blush.
Can you see my contour as well?
I have to zoom in for that. Contour game needs to strengthen up.
I got my highlight game, is it not strong enough?
Where is the highlight? No, I actually don't know which part is the highlight. Which part is it meant to be?
Can you see anything glowing on the side?
Your face is glowing.
Oh wow.
Oh, that's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, that is so nice. Happy birthday, baby.
I was all alone, I had a dream, now it's you and I, the dream team. If I follow, will you lead me down the right path? Why you ask so many questions? I don't like that. I need an answer to see if I'm on the right track. I'm just expressing emotion, that's why I write tracks. I can follow my heart instead of follow you. But what good is the vision if you can't see it too? I need you to see it through, it's just me and you. Should I say you and I? I'm trying.
Morning. It's officially Tunde's birthday. Happy birthday, baby. It's really cold actually.
Yeah, it's been snowing, can you imagine?
I know,
March.
guys. In March, it's like
Global warming is real, guys.
So yeah, we're going to a place called KONGE'S, and it's not too far from us. It's about like half an hour, so we're on our way there, and we're just gonna grab our lunch there, do a bit of shopping, and then I've got a little satin to go to Tunde. I've been like obviously hyping it up. I'll probably do a bit of shopping first and then go and eat, because we just had our breakfast. Yeah, guys, join me in wishing him a happy birthday, you know. It's his big day today.
It's a big difference from being Santorini, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Right now,
this time last year I was on a yacht,
just enjoying the sun, having some drinks.
I think I'm definitely going away next year.
Yeah.
Well, this year I was adamant to keep my birthday low key because of the little something we're up to. But basically, we've been saving up for something, so we'll keep you guys posted on that pretty soon. To just do a bit of shopping. I've rarely been doing shopping, guys. I've neglected my wardrobe for some months now, so what better time to do that on your birthday?
Yeah, we're getting spring ready, really.
Spring and summer.
Spring, summer ready.
It's 2 a.m. now. thinking of you, since I met you. Everything has changed. My life is not the same. Little conversations with my brain couldn't be love, something too strange. With you, I'm flying away. How you make me forget all my pain? Is it gonna be you? Listen. I don't know about love, I don't know about love. Think you should teach me from the start. Swear I'll be.
We found some a young candle store and couldn't help myself but get some. So excited. But yeah. We've just done we've done the shopping, which is nice. So Tunde's got lots of nice bits that he wanted. So we've been in like Ralph and can't remember where else we went now. TM Lewin, and we found Yankee candles. Obviously I got some candles, so excited. And now we're just going back to the car. I need to get to this little satty. Then we're gonna go and have a meal, and then he finally gets this little satty.
That might start saying I'm doing.
Is it? Are you not excited anymore?
I'm excited.
But yeah, a bit of shopping there. Be nice, be nice.
I'm joking.
This is for you. I love you so much. I hope you like it. I hope you like it.
Alright. I'm going for it, I like it. Worth it. It's a heavy box actually. They have red and black Okay, fair enough. Someone is stepping up the present game. I thought mine was good. Okay, I see. Now, this is nice. This is nice. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie. This is nice. You did well. You did very well. Very well. I was not even expecting this. Alright, I'll tell you guys where it is. It's in drone. Oh, this is nice.
I like it.
Very nice. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. It's a big leap from the back.
And the truth comes about what you've done at the back.
Oh, it's nice, it's nice. I'll tell you guys, I actually wanted this for a while. I've been wanting this for some time now. And I said we'd get it like what, before summer, yeah. So I'll probably get it before summer. So that's one thing ticked off. So. No, that's pretty good. Oh, I'm excited to just try it out.
Oh, really just fly it out there.
Yeah, actually I'm excited to try it out. Start doing some drone shots. But step up the vlogging game. No, thank you very much. I actually appreciate that. You stepped it up. You stepped it up.
What were you expecting?
Not like it's a competition, but
When I said a little satin.
yeah. This is not little something something. This need to go home and check the bank statements. This is not little something. Yeah, nice.
What were you expecting?
I don't know yet. I thought we'd be like clothing items. Hello guys.
Hi.
So we just came back. Well, not long. I've been home for about an hour now, I think. So we've been at home for about an hour. I've been busy unboxing my present.
Yeah.
Shall I show you guys what my present was? What my present is?
Go, show him.
Alright, okay. So Konge got me a drone. Obviously, you guys can see that there. So it's a DJI Mavic Air drone. So I've been setting up basically and unboxing it and stuff. I'm charging the batteries and stuff like that, and the remote control which is there. We've got to wait for it for about, I think, 2 hours or something for it to be fully charged, and then I'll just fly it indoors. I've downloaded the app which you need to download to plug into the remote control and fly it in. So I think I told you guys I'll tell you this story. Well, I was actually not surprised, but yeah, I was quite surprised actually. So I was telling Konge before, well, a while back now, for some months that I wanted to get a drone May, June, you know, something like that anyway, that we do something that we wanted to do. Obviously I wasn't expecting it when she was asking me, for my shoe size. She asked me for my shoe size. I thought, okay, she's gonna give me trainers or shoes, and then he asked me for something else as well. He asked me for
what colour?
What colour? Yeah, black or white. Was that to do with the drone?
Yeah,
three different colours.
Yeah, I had an idea. What I think I said to you, blue or red. I wanted to gauge if you'd like red for.
Okay, no. So we got the black one, which is, well, you got the black one, which is cool. So yeah, I actually was very surprised, pleasantly surprised with the present. I didn't think you'd get it actually. I didn't ask for it because obviously I know what sort of price it is, so there's no point. I just thought I would get it later on. It's pleasantly surprised.
So I'm winning, yeah?
Winning.
Am I winning? Am I winning a competition? I think yours are still good, like, you know, setting bars high and stuff.
Setting bars high. But no, this is actually really cool. So I'm actually looking forward to flying it. And of course, I'll show you guys some footage as well. Maybe not today, I don't know. But I mean later on in the future anyway, once I get the hang of it, I'll show you guys some nice, cool feature. Yeah. Maybe some cinematographic stuff, maybe.
Yes, babe, no pressure now. You need to step up our vlog.
No pressure, yeah, no pressure.
You need to add those nice cinematography, elements to our vlogs now. Trusting you, leaving it down to you. Yeah. Might do that. I'll do that actually. I do have some ideas, but obviously a lot of it is getting the right kit. And I think we're sort of getting the kit now, which will help us to actually put ideas forth and see them into fruition. Right? So that's good. That's good. So thanks a lot once again for the present. You stepped up. I'm still wearing my fur coat indoors. It's just because the heating is still like warming up. Actually, it's kind of warm now, but anyway, it just feels cozy. Don't mind. So yeah, she's come a long way from last year's present. If you guys haven't seen that, watch the Santorini vlog. I don't know which part it was in Santorini vlog, but no, it was in the highlights. I think no, it was actually in one of the vlogs as well. Santorini last year. Part 2 maybe? Yeah, I think it might be part 2. Konge got me a backpack, which is good. It was well received, don't get me wrong. It was well received. Now I know it was well received, but yeah, it was good. Don't get me wrong, it was good. But she stepped it up a little bit now. The boat was a present. The boat? What is the boat? The yacht. The yacht. The yacht. The yacht was a present. Yeah, that was a present. Yeah. That was a good experience. Yeah. So obviously had a chilled out birthday, my birthday this year, as we've mentioned before, because we're prioritizing some stuff right now. And yeah, thanks to all of you guys that actually wished me happy birthday as well. I appreciate it. So we will see what that would be. But yeah, anyway guys, thank you very much for subscribing, and we shall see you soon. Yes guys. Thank you. Yeah, we're thinking to do a Q&A because some of you ask us questions on like Snapchat and Instagram and in person as well. It's messages, guys. We'll probably try to put a lot of things in one video. Yeah, that's and put a Q&A together. Yeah, comment below, could be on anything. So obviously we'll try our best to answer all of them. Yeah. So thanks. Bye guys. See you in the next vlog.